Using instant feedback during a self-paced learning activity to boost attainment. Independent academic research has proven that using Learning Clip 3 times a week for 10 minutes along with instant feedback improves student attainment by 3 to 4 months over a school year. Let's have a look at the handset feedback and teacher feedback that supports such large improvements. Students receive instant feedback on their devices at every step. When a student answers a question correctly, the handset display confirms progress, along with their individual position in class. Students are motivated by this, and it encourages them to answer carefully and correctly. If they get it wrong, this is an opportunity to learn. Each self-paced activity is not a test, so if they get the answer wrong, they can elect to try again as many times as they like before moving on to the next question. Meanwhile, the teacher can view all the responses from the class to prioritize who needs help. The progress bar along the top of the whiteboard indicated how the class is doing on each question. Red indicates the proportion of the class who answered incorrectly, so the teacher can immediately see which questions need further explanation. There is no need to wait. The teacher can pause an activity at any time and click on a question number in the progress bar to display the question and explain it to the students. There is a pull-down screen to write on. Students can continue viewing the whiteboard and answering questions while you privately view the detailed results on your computer. Just freeze the image on the whiteboard using the freeze button on the projector. This locks the whiteboard image at the moment you press the freeze button. Now you can use your computer without the screen appearing on the whiteboard. When you are finished, just press the freeze button again. Click on the Expand Results view on the Self-Paced Activity toolbar to view the results matrix. This shows every response from each student for every question. The system automatically marks each response so you can focus on feedback and intervention. Clear green cells show right first-time responses. Red cells are incorrect answers, and the number of attempts is also displayed in cells. Click on a cell to see a list of all the responses sent in by that student so far. Red alerts highlight students who get 3 incorrect answers in a row, or 5 wrong answers overall. You might want to help these first. You can also reorder the students from high to low or low to high performance to help pinpoint who needs most help. Teachers look for either students with a lot of wrong answers, as well as questions that have a lot of wrong answers. Learning Clip keeps a tally of all the questions with the most wrong answers. These are tracked in the window on the right. This is a great guide on which questions should be recapped before the end of the lesson, so students learn from your instant feedback while the topic is fresh in their minds. If you are a subscriber to Learning Clip, the data is stored automatically so you can review it later. Just click on the Pupil Results button to see a listing of all the activities you have completed. If you're a registered user of the free resources, you can export the data to an Excel file before you exit the activity.